Hi there. Today I wanted to share a few quick statistics about home ownership in the US. So, our US Census Bureau tracks both vacancy rates and home ownership rates on a quarterly basis. And they came out with their latest study. It's called the Housing Vacancy Study. And it indicates that home ownership has risen to 65.3% in the first quarter of 2020. That's with 2.7 million new homeowners added, and that really just reflects a lot the strength of the new home sales and existing home sales that we saw at the beginning of the year. Much of that can be attributed to our low mortgage rates. The biggest gain in home ownership was seen in households with those under 35. So much of that is first-time home buyers. Home ownership rates were actually on a steady decline until a few years ago, and then they started to rise. And these numbers actually represent the highest rate of home ownership that we've seen in the past 8 years. Obviously, the pandemic will have some impact on these numbers as we move further into 2020, but a study came out yesterday stating that mortgage purchases jumped 6% week over week. So it looks and it feels like buyers are starting to return to the market as our restrictions ease and people are gaining more confidence. Finally, I think the impact of our quarantine is really interesting from a psychology standpoint. We've all been stuck at home. For some of us, we're grateful to have the home that we have and we love where we live. But for others, it's causing us to reflect on where we really want to live full time. So some people are spending more time in vacation homes. Others are just dreaming of vacation homes or just dreaming of vacations. Others want more space, or they want a pool or a different neighborhood. So once things settle down, I think a lot of both renters and home buyers or homeowners will be looking for a change. If you want to chat about this or anything else in the world of real estate, or you just want to say hello, please reach out. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks and have a great day.